Hello guys, in this there is a wrong mark on this Wi-Fi connections, no internet connections, and if you're seeing this aeroplane symbol, then it is in aeroplane mode. It's very simple, so you need not to panic. Okay, you can tap this X button for learn more. So who broke the internet? Go to the quick menu and settings, network, yes. So here I'm going to give OK first, and then I'm swiping it. See, the airplane mode is turned on, so I'm going to turn it off. It's very simple. So now I'm going back. Now I'm going to connect. This connect button is enabled, so I'm going to tap X. This time Dr. Strange should open the portal here. So that's it, friends. So this is a simple fix. Hope this video is very much helpful. Please provide your comments and feedbacks in my video form. Thank you, bye, and take care.